Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel How to Tutorials. In this quick video, I'll show you how to fix the couldn't add to template error on Instagram when trying to use a reel or story template. So let's jump right in. First, make sure your Instagram app is fully updated. Go to the Play Store, search for Instagram, and hit update if it's available. This error can also happen due to weak or unstable internet connection. Try switching between Wi-Fi and mobile data or restart your router. If you're using a modified or cloned version of Instagram, that could trigger this issue. Stick to the official app from the Play Store or App Store. So another solution can be to clear the cache. For that, go to Settings, then tap on Apps and Notifications, and then go to Instagram. Select Storage and Cache, and then tap on Clear Cache. This won't delete your data but can help fix bugs. Keep in mind, not every reel is eligible for reuse as template. If the original creator disabled template sharing or used unsupported formats like certain audio clips, you will get this error. Try using a different reel that clearly says Use Template under it. If it works there, the issue is likely with the specific reel, not your app. And yes, that's it. If this video helped you, don't forget to like the video, drop a comment, and subscribe for more Instagram tips and fixes. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.